SmartFocus is a feature of the Camtasia Studio that allows the program to automatically detect specific areas of interest that you're pointing out while you're doing your recording, and it will automatically zoom in the screen to those areas. In order to get SmartFocus to take effect, you'll need to make sure that you're using the Camtasia recorder to record your screencast, and you save your files in the CamRec file format that we've been using thus far. In this movie, I want to give you a couple of tips that you can use in order to make sure that your screen recordings will have the best chance of having the SmartFocus applied to it. And the first thing you have to know is that you have to make sure that your videos are longer than 30 seconds. Any video shorter than 30 seconds will not get a SmartFocus automatically applied to it. The next place to focus is how you move around on screen. Let me give you an example. In this case, if we were going to show how to open our browser, we'd begin by slowly moving our mouse down here to our taskbar and clicking one time on our Start menu. We'll make sure that the menu clearly appears, and then we'll move up and park our mouse in front of the application that we want to open. We'll then go ahead and click on the application in order to get the app to open. Now notice, for most of the time, the mouse has been over here on the left-hand side of the screen. Now, we'll go ahead and move our mouse up here into the URL field and click inside of that field. Now when we go ahead and type in the URL that we want to go to, www.explorecalifornia.org, and we hit return, the Camtasia program is going to recognize that we're typing in this region, and it's going to try and create an automatic SmartFocus effect by zooming into that area. And as long as we don't move our mouse, the focus will remain in that area. Now, we'll go ahead and move our mouse over to the right-hand side and begin taking another action, such as scrolling our window down. As soon as we click and start dragging down, that will give a cue to SmartFocus that some other action is taking place on screen. We then scroll our mouse down to the location that we were interested in. In this case, we're interested in this video that's playing right here in the middle of our screen. We would then go ahead and play that video by pressing the play button and then wait for that video to complete. I'll go ahead and play just a few seconds of the video here.
I'm Ron Asquith, and I'm standing on our family farm here in Southern California.
Once the video had finished playing all the way in its entirety, you could then go ahead and move your mouse back over to the scroll bar and scroll back up. This may draw the SmartFocus back into the scroll bar area. You then maybe want to move your mouse more into the middle of the screen so that SmartFocus knows that now you want to have all of the screen displayed again. When you're finished making your instructional video, you would then stop your recording and preview it. In a later movie, we'll go in and we'll look at a video that I recorded using this very technique, and we'll go ahead and look at working with the SmartFocus effects that have been applied to it in a later chapter.